everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. Today I'm here with a new science video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what is the Higgs boson, otherwise known as the God particle. Over here you can see I have a picture of a particle accelerator. This will be important later. The Higgs boson is a scalar boson. That means it has a spin of 0. The Higgs boson has been likened to a God particle because the Higgs field, of which the Higgs boson is responsible for, directly gives particles their mass. The Higgs boson is a manifestation of the Higgs field. It was brought into existence when the equations of the grand unified theory predicted that the W and Z bosons would have no mass when they actually did. It was discovered by the Large Hadron Collider, the particle accelerator that you saw before. It's called the Higgs boson to honor Peter Higgs, the physicist who explicitly predicted it on a series of his papers in 1964. It was only discovered much later after the prediction due to the advancements needed in accelerator technology because the energy levels required to get the Higgs boson are extremely high. Here I have a picture of quantum tunneling. This is a very simplified diagram, but in essence, every particle in the universe wants to reach its minimum energy level called a vacuum state, which isn't related to the vacuum of space. The higher the energy level of this particle is, the more potential energy it has, and every particle eventually wants to move to its lowest energy level. In the case of the Higgs boson, it's in a metastable state, where it's on a plateau and can be imagined as halfway up a tall hill, where it wants to reach the bottom, but because it's on a flat plateau, it thinks it's stable. Quantum tunneling at any given time at any given place in the universe could cause the Higgs boson to tunnel through the hill. Wherever this happens, there would start a field of decay where physics and chemistry are entirely overturned, and this field would expand at the speed of light, making it one of the most efficient ways to destroy the universe. However, before you start getting nightmares about this is all just physics right now. We're not sure if this is true and whether it could actually happen. Over here, I have a sort of picture of the Higgs field. The Higgs field is what's directly responsible for giving particles their mass. The more a particle interacts with the field, the greater their mass becomes. A photon that does not interact with the field at all has zero mass, and that's why it travels at the speed of light. The Higgs field can be believed to be an ocean, and the Higgs boson is like a wave. A heavy particle like a W or Z boson could be thought of as a bird that dips its feet into the ocean, and the heavier the particle, the farther its feet are in, and it's slowed down because of the resistance. A photon could be a bird flying way above the ocean that's not slowing it down. Now the Higgs boson is like the central particle of the Standard Model, and the other 16 particles that we know of so far are all kind of branches of this. You could think of this like a circle with more circles inside of it, and every outside circle is another layer of particles, and at the very center is the Higgs boson. So this was a very quick explainer video about the Higgs boson. If you want to see this video in greater detail, or any of these topics in greater detail, please leave it down in the comment section below. Also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!